Looking for the best browser app for your Android phone? In this video, we are counting down the 6 best Android browser that deliver faster speed, stronger privacy, smarter feature, and smoother browsing experience. Stay until the end to discover the number 1 pick. At number 6, here's a browser that puts your privacy fast, and millions of people are making the switch. DuckDuckGo has a 4.5 star rating, over 2 million reviews, and more than 50 million installs. Instead of tracking everything you do online, it helps reduce data collection while you browse. Its built-in search engine is designed to keep your searches private, while tracker blocking helps limit many third-party trackers before they load. You can also block many annoying ads and cookies pop up for a cleaner browsing experience. One standard feature is Dark AI, which let you interact with supposed AI models in a privacy-focused way. Plus, the famous Fire button lets you quickly clear your tabs and browsing data with a single tap. If you want more features, there are an optional subscription that adds extra like a VPN, advanced AI access, identity restoration, support, and personal information removal tool. Its online privacy matter to you. DuckDuckGo is definitely worth checking out. Follow for more of the best apps you should be using in 2026. At number 5, we have Opera AI browser with VPN, rated 4.5 star with over 5 million reviews and more than 500 million downloads. Opera packs a lot more than basic browsing. It includes a built-in AI assistant that can answer questions, summarize articles, and help you brainstorm ideas without switching apps. Need more privacy? Opera comes with a free built-in VPN and ad blocker, helping reduce distraction while editing an extra layer of browsing privacy. If you are trying to save mobile data, data saver mode compress web page so you can browse more efficiently, especially on slower connection. Downloading large file. Opera Smart Download Manager can continue downloads after your connection returns, so you don't have to start over. You can also save web pages for offline reading, sync bookmarks across device, customize your news feed, and personalize the browser to match your style. If you want a browser that combines AI tool, privacy feature, and everyday convenience in one app, Opera is definitely worth checking out. Number 4, we have Brave Private Web Browser with an impressive 4.6 star rating, over 3 million reviews, and more than 100 million plus downloads. Brave is built for people who want a faster, cleaner, and more private browsing experience. It blocks ads and trackers by default, so websites load quicker while using less data and battery. One of its standout features is Brave Leo, an AI assistant that can answer questions, summarize content, and translate text, all while keeping your conversation private. Need extra security? Brave also offers an optional firewall and VPN, plus a built-in private search engine that doesn't create a profile based on your activity. You will also get useful features like light mode, secure bookmark syncing, HTTPS protection, script blocking, and stronger tracking prevention, all designed to give you more control over your browsing. If speed, privacy, and smart feature matter too, Brave is definitely worth checking out. At number 3, this browser could completely change the way you use the internet, and it protects your privacy without lifting a finger. If you are blocking for a browser that's fast, secure, and built with privacy in mind, check out Firefox Fast and Private Browser. It holds a solid 4.5 star rating, has over 5 million plus reviews, and more than 100 million downloads worldwide. What makes Firefox stand out? It automatically blocks many common online trackers, helping reduce unwanted data collection while you browse. You also get private browsing, which doesn't save your history or cookie after you section. Need a cleaner reading experience? Reader mode remove distraction from articles so you can focus on the content. Plus, the built-in password manager helps create and save a stronger password, making sign it quicker and more secure. Firefox also let you customize your browse with extension, choose your favorite search engine, and sync your bookmarks, tabs, and password across your device with a Mozilla account. If privacy, speed, and customization matter to you, Firefox is definitely one of the strongest browse option available today. Next, number 2, this browser has over 1 million instance, but it is still not using in 2026. Let's find out. If you want a browser that packs speed, privacy and extra tool into one app, UC browser is definitely worth checking out. With a solid 4.2 star rating, over than 20 million plus reviews and over 1 billion install, it's still one of the most downloaded mobile browser worldwide. One standout feature it is private browsing mode, which help keep your browsing section more secure while you are online. It also includes a built-in VPN feature, giving users another option for private browsing depending on their need. Watching video, UC browser lets you download supported video for offline viewing, making it convenient when you are traveling or trying to save mobile data. Another useful feature is the ad blocker, which help reduce pop-up and distraction ads so package can feel cleaner and load more smoothly. It also offers AI-powered search, built-in language translation, and 20 GB of cloud storage through UC Drive, making it more than just a basic web browser. Need to download PDF, zip files or APK? UC browser supported multiple file typing, helping you manage download in one place. If you are looking for an all-in-one browser with fast performance and penalty of built-in feature, UC browser is a solid option to explore and see if it fits your browsing style. At number 1, it's Google Chrome. With a solid 4.4 star rating, over 46 million reviews and more than 10 billion installs, Chrome remains one of the most trusted browser apps for Android users. What makes Chrome stand out? Fast, it incredibly fast. Search with Google instantly or use your voice when you are on the go. Need to identify something? Google Lens let you search using your camera in seconds. Traveling or reading international website, Chrome can translate page into 130 plus languages with just one tap. When it comes to security, Chrome helps protect your browsing with enhanced protection, safety check, and Google's built-in password manager that securely save your password and alert you if you ever at risk. And if you use multiple devices, Chrome keep everything synced. Your bookmarks, tabs, saved password, and browsing history are ready whenever you are signed in. Whether you are working, studying, shopping, or just browsing the web, Chrome combines speed, security, and convenience into one smooth experience. Those are our picks for the 6 best browser apps for Android. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful tech videos. Bye, take care.